Listen up, everyone. We have been just informed that there's an unknown virus that's attacking all clubs. Symptoms have been said to be heavy breathing, wild dancing, coughing. So when you hear the sound, run for cover, mother.
Got me face down. Don't take this. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. Although it hurts a lot. I don't. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that.
Hi guys. Okay. Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday I told with my mom, and then our way back we started doing like the whole NYSC shopping. That was like around 1:32 sha. That's where we started. We started up with Oshodi we were around Ojota, so we started up with Ojota market. Nothing, you guys. We literally, as I was saying, we started. Why does my bonnet look weird? Anyways, we started off with Ojota market because we were around Ojota. Nothing, guys. I literally found nothing, and even the stuff I saw, like the prices were crazy. The only thing I saw was like the round neck t-shirt, and they were calling 4K for 5. When I know that I can get it cheaper elsewhere. I didn't see shorts. The waist bag I saw, I did not like them, so we had to either choose between Ikeja and Oshodi. But I knew for a fact that Ikeja's items would also be expensive, so I just told her let's go to Oshodi instead. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys all the items I got as well as their prices. So yeah, I got this popular stuff. I'm going to go ahead and put like the NYSC all I call it, things you need for NYSC shafts, from clothing to everything generally. I'll put them right here. So if you need help on what to get for NYSC, or you want to have prayer for your NYSC, you can just make reference to that. I went through the list and I took out the things, or rather I listed the things that I know that I need that I don't have. So that's the things that I bought yesterday. I'm still going to be buying more stuff today, but I decided to just do like a little haul first of all. So the first thing I got was this shirt right here. I got 2 of this. There are 3 in a pack, so that's a total of 6 round neck t-shirts. And one was the guy called one for 3,800, but we were able to beat down the price to 3,200. So 3,200, 3,200. That's a total of 6,400. So I have a total of 6 shirts with me, and I also got them in. They wrote the sizes that they wrote there were XL, but I know for a fact that that's probably like a small, because they were actually small, but I'm okay with that because I actually don't mind. The next thing I bought was I don't think I need to show you how I bought them, or like in order or something like that. Where are my shorts? Where did I put this shorts? Okay, it's over right here. So I also went ahead to get myself this white shorts. Let me reduce this. I also went ahead to get myself this shorts. Very honest, I don't know the material that it is, but I'm sure you guys can tell that this is actually a different material from this type. This type is the regular jersey shirts that's like stretchy and all of that. This is like the stretchy type, and this one is different from this one clearly. I went ahead to buy more of this type. Looking for this type of shorts was a hassle. Like, we went to almost every shop owned by Igbo boys at Oshodi Market, because I heard that they're the ones that sell, Igbo boys that sell clothes at Oshodi Market are the ones where I can find this stuff from. My mom went to a lot of stores, like a lot of shops. I think over 20 or over 25, it was a lot before we now eventually found this. So this is what this one looks like. I got 4 of this type. Really try my best to look for like really short skimpy type, because I'm not about to be looking like a grandma on the field or in camp or something like that. You guys, I was being particular about them, and then the guy initially called them for 1,500 naira, but we're able to beat down the price to 1,000 naira. And I feel like if at all you want to start shopping for NYSC, it's very advisable for you to start shopping in advance. Because when I went there yesterday, these people, they were like, initially I was supposed to go to Balogun Market, Lagos Island, but like with the whole fuel scarcity and everything that's happening, I was like, I'm not about to spend too much. If at all you want to start shopping for NYSC, I know everybody might not have the whole luxury of buying in advance, maybe because of like funds or anything like that, but I would suggest that you buy in advance, like a day or two before camp rush or something like that. Because when I got the shorts from this guy, I also saw somebody that was buying white shorts, so I just figured out, oh, okay, this person is buying stuff for NYSC. But the guy was not asking me. He asked me how many do I want. I was like 4 or 5, and the guy was like, is it for NYSC? I said yes. So when I went to camp, I was like, should I tell him this week or next year? I told him next week, and I said, okay, no problem. You know, this guy literally called like his younger brother that stays in the shop with him. They were speaking in both, so I couldn't understand. It was like something white shorts as from next week. No, he said something, it now said Igbo, it now said as from next week. So in my mind I was like, these guys are probably telling themselves that they should increase this price as from next week to a certain price. I was just like, if I had told that guy that NYSC I'm going this week, this guy would not have reduced the price for me. He would have even called it higher. And but anyways, that's a tip for you. Start buying stuff for your NYSC on time. Next thing, like I said, my mom told me that since we heard that they're giving us 2 shirts, 2 shorts at camp, that I should buy 4 of these shorts and then also pick 1 of this, because these ones are actually feel like they will dry faster or something like that. So like if these ones are not dry yet, I can dry this one. I can easily wear this one. Something like that. She's like, I should get at least 1 of this type. So I also bought like this jersey rubber type. And this one was 800 naira. They didn't want to go lesser than 800. All the shorts, those ones and this ones also have like the rope. So yeah, let's leave this one. Next thing I got were like this rubber canvas. So I bought this rubber canvas and I actually like the design. It's giving all-star vibe. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's giving all-star vibe. It even has like this star thing. I don't remember if all-star used to have this star, but regardless, this is what it looks like. It has the fake rope thing. My friend advised me that I should go for a size one size bigger than my actual size, because she said these things, if you wear them for long, they can start to make your feet hurt, like your feet to start peppering. You know that thing when you wear tight shoe and your feet to start peppering and stuff. My friend told me, because she went to camp like the previous batch, so she was giving me like NYSC insights, all of that. So yeah, she told me that I should go for like a size bigger than my size. So normally I wear 42, 41 for sneakers, but I got 40. This guy gave me 41, and I said I wanted 42. Can you imagine? Because I told him I wear 41 normally, but she gave me 42. This guy gave me 41. Bruv, I'm not about to feel uncomfortable in camp. But anyway, that's a tip for you. These things, according to my friend, tend to hurt your feet, so go for a size or 2 sizes bigger than your regular size, because I mean you still don't wear socks. I'm actually quite sad. I wish I saw this on time. This guy gave me 41 instead of 42. Like, why? I literally said I wanted 42. Why did you give me 41? But anyhow, this is what it looks like. Yeah, and I like the design. I bought this for 1,500. He said 2,000 naira, but my mom beat the price down to 1,500 naira. So yeah. Other thing I got were like this actual sneakers. I'm trying to see if this will focus, but yeah, this type actually doesn't look as bad. It doesn't look bad actually. It's actually not bad. Camera might be tripping. I'm not wanting it to focus, but it's actually not bad. It's actually quite nice. They call this something GTS. Yeah. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I got a size 42. Imagine this guy gave me 42 of actual sneakers and gave me 41 of this one. But anyways, yeah, this is what it looks like. That's the size there. The next thing that I got next thing I got was a water bottle, a small, cute, tiny water bottle. Because I already have a water bottle. That one's like stainless steel water bottle, but I feel like it's going to be really heavy for me to carry around, especially for like all the side and stuff. It's not like it's big, but it's like a regular. It's a regular stainless steel water bottle. Those types that you open and then like you take a sip and stuff. You guys get what I mean. I'll try and see if I can put a picture. But I just feel like with putting something in that, it can get like heavy to carry, so I just decided to carry this. I didn't tell you how much I bought the sneakers, sorry. I got the sneaker, the guy called it 6,500, but my mom picked it down to 5,000 naira, so yeah. I got them together from the same guy, so 1,500, that was 6,500 in total. This was 300 naira, but the woman said 500 naira, so I decided to just get one more for my sister, and yeah, so that was at like the rate of 250. But if you're guessing one is 300 naira, I saw a couple of colors. I was like, should I buy green and go full NYSC all the way? Because like it was green, it had like I think yellow cover or white cover, I can't remember. But I was like, should I go full NYSC all the way? But I was like, nah, this design was actually quite prettier than that one. So yeah, that is what I got yesterday. Oh yeah, that was literally everything that I got in this bag. And now the so yes, I'm actually missing like so that I just showed. I also got myself socks, a pair of 6 socks. That was 1,000 naira. They said a dozen was 2,000, but like I don't need up to 12 literally, so I just bought 6, and that was 1,000 naira. So I think 6 divided by 1,000, I think that's like 150 each or something, at rate of 150 each. But anyways, yeah, ankle socks, nothing so crazy. I was like, you know what, either I get this one or I get those green white one, the ones that have like the green white stripe by the ankle, but I didn't find until I'd already bought this one. But anyways, it go be. So I got 6. Yeah, that is that about my socks. What else did I get? I also got wristband. I got this type, and I did not get the leather one because I just feel like a lot of things can go wrong with that. The thread could easily start loosening or something like that. So I just decided to pick like the material type, and this one is actually quite spacious. It has a zip in front here, it has another zip here, it has a zip by the side here, another one by the side here, and then this new one, another one at the back. This is what it looks like. I got this for 1,500 naira. The woman called it 2,500. We beat it down to 1,500 naira because I think that's pretty much everything that I got yesterday. I'm still going out to do a lot of stuff, you guys. I'm working with limited time because I leave for camp tomorrow. I don't even think I told you guys where I'm going to, but I'm literally going to NASARAWA. They posted me at NASARAWA or in NASARAWA. I don't know how, I don't know why, but I was posted to NASARAWA, you guys. It's a lot. It's a lot. So I leave for camp tomorrow. My camp date was tomorrow. It's tomorrow, Wednesday 30th. So I leave for NASARAWA tomorrow. I don't know what time, but I'm hoping it can be as early as 5-6, so I can get there. They said it's 5-6 in the evening because I heard it's like a 12-hour to 13-hour drive. So if I leave in the morning, I can get there in the night. I'm not about to stress myself. So yeah, I leave for NASARAWA, you guys, and I'm also trying to shop according to the weather. No, I'm going to try to pack according to the weather because like cold, everything. I still have a lot of things to do to you guys. I need to go and print out my documents. I need to get my hair done. I need to get the stuff that I haven't gotten stationery. I want to try and see if I can get my nails done, get my toes done. What else do I need to do? Get provisions, toiletries, a whole lot of stuff, So I need to head out early, like really early. It's already like 10 o'clock. I need to have my bath, head out, so I can do everything I need to do on time. At least I'm giving myself 5, let's say 4, 5. I should be back in this house. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I would see you as I'm vlogging or something like that. I'm already even running low on space, so bye guys.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that get both. Like a Baba Frayo, don't cry, yo. Yeah, I need to go and shadow.
Hi guys, yes, I know I look different from how you guys saw me this morning. That's because my hair is done, my nails are done, even though I hate the nails with a lot of passion, with utmost passion. I hate these nails, they're really what I requested for, but I think I'll just you guys about it. But anyways, I just got back. Have I told you guys that I just got back and it's 12:23 midnight? Limao. But anyways, yeah, today was a lot. Actually, I'm never going to lie, today was a lot. I didn't see today going like this or playing out like this, but oh well, who knows. I haven't printed out my call-up letter, which is one of the most important documents that I need in camp. I haven't gotten my passport yet, like passport photograph. I didn't buy a few things, or I couldn't buy a few things today because I forgot, and also because there was no time. I didn't buy my earwax. This one is already gone. It's gone. I left it open for a few days and it dried up. It's literally white. What else did I not get? I am already out of body care, like bathing soap, like very little. I didn't buy my bar soap. I didn't buy anything. Anyways, I can't remember what I was saying, but I didn't get body care. I literally don't have anything body care or skincare related for camp. Like literally I literally don't have anything body care or skincare related for camp. What else am I missing? I was supposed to get myself like new chargers. Don't have that. I'm supposed to get myself a new pouch because this one is already crusted. I don't have a screen guard for my phone as well. What else did I need to get before? A couple of things. I couldn't get these things mostly because, like I said, there was no time, and I also forgot about them. This news took the longest, like they took the longest hours of today, and that's why everything literally just went unplanned. This one started this news she started doing my nails like 12, and I didn't leave her place till like 3 something. It weren't even the designs that I asked for. I asked for pink French tips, you guys, and she gave me when she started doing it. I realized this French tips did not have hope at all, so I just told her to clean it, remove it, everything, and just do something else entirely. Even the design that I gave her was like pretty simple. You guys see what she did. The acrylic, I've never seen acrylic this lumpy before. I have never seen acrylic nails this lumpy before. But anyways, that's none of my business. I'm never going back there anymore. Waste of my time, waste of everything, but I don't care. Anyways, I got a few things, and I'm going to like show you before I end this vlog. But yeah, I got this battery for my handheld mini fan for this because I misplaced the battery got bad a while back, so I had to take it out, and ever since then I haven't been able to use it unless like it's connected to like power source or a power bank, and I can't be doing that in camp, so I had to get a battery, and this one says 4500 mAh, so I hope they are true to their words. I also got a brush to wash my sneakers, both the rubber one and the actual one. Then I got padlock as well. Price, she said 2005. I priced it down to 1k, 250. I bought it for 150 or something. Yeah, this was 250. I got sponge for my stuff. This was 100 naira. So yeah, what else did I get? That's literally like everything I got. But yeah, anyways, that's literally it. I'm about to start packing right now because it's already 12:30. I have to start packing. I need to sleep because I'm heading out, or rather departure time is at 6:30, so I need to sleep so I can get there before 6:30 and leave by 6:30. If you guys want an inside video on like me packing, what I took to camp, the things I bought, and the things I had at home, what I had bought before camp and that I'll be taking for camp, you should definitely check out my pack with me vlog for NYSC. In that video I'll be talking, or rather I'll be showing you guys everything I'll be taking to camp, what I bought and what I already had before, what you need, all that type of stuff. So yeah, an inside pack with me video won't be in this vlog, it'll be a separate vlog entirely. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching my NYSC preparation vlog. I love you guys for always sticking with me all through. Like, let me appreciate you guys. Thank you for sticking with this video all through and all of that. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.